G'day, Tomo here from Tomo's Tune-Ups. On this episode, we are talking about the half-inch 1 5/16 socket available from Minisport. Now, unlike the other 1.5-inch half-inch socket that I spoke about on a previous episode, this I actually purchased from Minisport. These are available at any good tool suppliers and is definitely worth its weight in gold. It's worthwhile keeping inside the top drawer of your toolbox. Now, the reason for that is these undo a lot of bolts on the Classic Mini. It's not a tool that you're going to use all the time, but definitely it's going to get you out of trouble when you need it. For instance, if you need to remove the steering wheel on a Classic Mini, you need to remove the drive shaft nut on a Classic Mini front end that has disc brakes, whether it be the crankshaft or the camshaft nut, this is the tool in which you're going to need. So, as I said, it's not going to be a tool that you use all the time, but it's definitely going to get you out of strife, and it's worthwhile making sure that you have the right tools for the right job to ensure you do it right the first time and don't create problems down the track. Like I said previously, make sure you get yourself a decent torque wrench and get it calibrated on a regular basis to ensure it doesn't go out of tune, and you can ensure that your car will keep motoring on for years to come. Check out the range at minisport.com.au, and we'll see you again on the next episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups.